In our last class, we explored drama's elements. Theater weaves threads of creativity into vibrant stories, where conflicts and creativity embrace center stage. In today's class, our focus will be on the art of collage production. Collage is a picture created on a support by adhering various materials or media onto a background. It involves assembling two or more materials or media onto a background support. A collage is an artwork in which images are constructed using fragments of different types of materials. It serves as a form of artistic expression wherein mixed media like grains, pieces of paper, and fabric are affixed to a given surface. Materials used in collage creation. 1. Pieces of metal sheets. 2. Machine parts. 3. Grains such as rice, maize, beans, etc. 4. Car parts. 5. Discarded materials like fabric scraps, bolts, nuts, washers, etc. 6. Large pieces of wood. 7. Assorted colors of paper. 8. Photographic images. 9. Adhesives like water-based gum, EvoStick, and glue. 10. A pair of scissors. 11. Plywood with a spacious surface for easy viewing by others. Methods of creating collage. 1. Thoroughly clean the surface of the plywood intended for work. 2. Adhere cardboard onto the plywood. 3. Create a sketch of the desired image to be embellished. 4. Organize and apply adhesive on the sketched image, then affix the different materials beside each other until the entire inner area of the sketched image is completely covered. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.